humidity down in here really good. So I went out to the store today, and y'all, there is still a shortage on some core products, including hand sanitizer. So I got some aloe gel here from Dollar General. You can find this almost anywhere if you can find it. And I got some 91% rubbing alcohol, y'all. Your rubbing alcohol is going to be anywhere from 70% to 99%. I happen to have 91 here, which I keep these core items on hand anyway. If you have to go out, I mean, these are not really expensive. This was only $3, but stores do have more of this than the actual sanitizer. So we're gonna get into some D.Y.I. Now, you can just rock out with these two products right here, but I had some essential oils in the house. I have a vanilla and I have a cupcake. The good thing about this is not the wintergreen alcohol, so we can pretty much make it smell almost like whatever we want to make it smell. So first things first, with the aloe vera gel, we want 1/3 of a cup, y'all. 1/3 of a cup. Y'all, even when I'm seeing hand sanitizer on Amazon, at this point, everybody is price gouging. We live in such a capitalism is real. I just don't know how to express that. Scotch tissue is what I prefer, and it's less expensive. Tissue is out there, but $17.99 for Cottonelle in some stores, that's all they get, and then that's going to be a no. So y'all, I've already poured everything, and I'm in here talking and was not recording. So what I'm doing is I'm actually making a large batch of sanitizer. So what I did for this large batch is I did 2 1/3 scoops of the aloe gel and 2/3 cup alcohol. So this is an old ratted tatted spoon. See the consistency of my sanitizer? That's exactly what I want. But you know, it has that alcohol smell, so I think I'm gonna do this one in cupcake scent, just like a few drops of this, and that's gonna be game, people. So nice, quick, easy, simple. But this is done. Let's talk about some of these cleaning products. So as a bonus, let's talk about some of these cleansers, because cleaning and disinfectant is 2 totally different things. So y'all will see the stores got a shortage on all cleaning products, but all cleaning products ain't necessarily good. And then you probably have things in your home that you can disinfect with. So most of your Lysols are going to be good, right? So most of your Lysols, like these ones that says kills 99% of germs, that's only if you disinfect. So this one is 0% bleach. And some people will say, well, how can you disinfect if it's not bleach? If bleach kills germs and all that. Well, hydrogen peroxide kills germs and all that too. That's why peroxides are made in darker bottles, so it don't kill the disinfectant. Not necessarily disinfectant, but the hydrogen itself. It's not in a clear bottle like alcohol, because the hydrogen will evaporate. So you find a lot of products that has hydrogen peroxide in it that cleans just as well as also. And then you see the active ingredients it'll have down here. Kills 99% of germs if you disinfect. So all 3 of these Lysols are telling me the same thing. Another one that people forget about, your Windex multi-surface. Kills 99% of bacteria and germs. You can disinfect with this as well. Mr. Clean kills 99% of germs if you disinfect. So the good thing with this is couponing. I have an abundance of these, right? As well as your bleach. Remember, you can do 1 part bleach to 5 parts water, and you can disinfect as well. Some of the ones like this that smell good, y'all, that's all they're for. They're a multi-surface cleaning liquid. You can clean with it, but this kills nothing, okay? This smells good, but this actually kills nothing. So this is the spray that everybody's running for in the store, because this one you could actually spray in the air. I get it. I get why everybody's running for it. Also, I'm gonna put a screenshot up here where it mentions the coronavirus, but we know the virus that out here is a different strain from this. So a lot of your stores are sold out of this. But if you don't have this, then these are going to be easier to come by. There's not a store that I've been in that had a shortage on bleach, so you know that's something y'all can take advantage of. Even these dollar bottles at Dollar General. So these bottles are served bomb, and I know y'all can't see it, but the writings are on here that has a dilution measuring line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pour 1 part bleach inside. Pour it to the line. And we're going to cut the rest with water. So disinfecting and cleaning is different, y'all. I have some Clorox wipes here. And disinfecting requires a pre-clean surface. So I want to clean down my surface, y'all, and wipe everything down. And for the people you don't have on gloves, no, actually gloves make it worse. If you put on gloves to try to prevent this virus, you're going to have to put on a new glove every minute. You can't physically touch something with the glove and then move on to the next thing and the next thing and the next thing. I saw a lady with gloves on in the grocery store, in the meat section. I mean, just touching everything, and I'm like, what's the point in that? But you know, to each his own. So any of those products I show you, in order to disinfect, this is what it's going to say. You spray down your surface. You spray down your surface and you leave your surface wet for 10 minutes. You have to let it sit for 10 minutes and then you come back and wipe it down. You have now disinfect your area. So 10 minutes has passed. It's actually been 15 minutes, and we can now wipe our surface, and it's still kind of wet, so I just took a regular paper towel. No need to use another Clorox wipe per se, and we have now disinfect down your counters. Now the aerosol Lysol spray, I do go through and I spray that, and I touch the common areas like doorknobs and stuff like that that you wouldn't think about. So and I'm one of these people that I get hard on myself because couponing, I'm a household of one, and I used to feel like I'm hoarding stuff, but it's just a skill that I know how to do, but I was able to help so many people, you all. So again, I always tell y'all, if y'all have any coupon questions, always feel free, let me get in front of the camera, always feel free to reach out via IG and stuff and ask me. And thank y'all for rolling with me on these quarantine edition videos. Just some things that can help us all along, because everybody don't know everything, but if we take a little bit we learn from each other, the world will be a better place.